Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am doing a blockbench tutorial on how to make a mob and export it into Minecraft. So you want to do you first all you want to do is go to your you want to go to File up here. You want to go to Plugins, and then you want to go to you want to go to Available, and then you want to type in what you have. Like you can type in Minecraft Entity Wizard. Make sure to download that, which I already have it downloaded. You can download the Item Wizard, you can download the Block Wizard, Skin Pack Manager, all that kind of things. But this tutorial is going to be about how to make a entity. So once you downloaded it, all you want to do is click on Minecraft Entity Wizard, and then you want to click Let's Go. It will show up this. Name whatever you want to make. I would do a uh, Demon Panda. And yeah, once you do this, I would want to get a, Panda, so you want to search up, you want to do Panda, which I think it's not, I don't think Panda's on Blockbench. No, it's not. So all you want to do is if you want to make it rideable, so you can choose vehicle, but I'm going to choose basic for right now. You want to click next. If you want a different behavior, you can choose a different behavior, but I'm going to choose basic still. Next. And then you can choose a custom texture. Select a texture from your files. You can do none, or you can do colors, with the colors I will do, I'll do a little bit like red and black. That seems like good. And you want to click next. And then you just want to name it. Mine's gonna be Demon Panda. That's not how you spell panda. Panda, okay. And then you want to put who it was made by, which I would be Dark Soul, and you want to export it. And it said, you can mod it in Visual Studio Code. I will show you how to use that in another video. So yeah, let's get right into it. And once you're in here, you will get the little cube here. So yeah, so uh, let's start editing it. I'll give you all the tools what you want to do. So as you can see up here, you can edit, you can paint, and you can animate it. The paint is, you can just paint whatever you want to, whatever colors you want to do, and then animate. You can animate with the keyframes and everything else. So for right now, I'm going to do edit. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go to the resize button, or you could just click 2 times. Go to the resize, and I'm going to shape it into as big as a regular block in Minecraft, which is like this. Then I'm going to double click it again. I'm going to double click it again, and I'm going to drag it up a few blocks, like this. The reason it is invisible is because we haven't painted it yet, but if we paint it, like say, I'm going to paint it black for now, you want to go to the paint bucket, which is up here, and you want to click, which it turns everything to black. Okay, now you want to go back to edit. And now once you have this to edit, all you want to do is, well, I would say this is going to be like a little skinny panel. So I would want like this should be like this big, which I'm gonna make these one in. Okay, once you have this, uh, you could make the legs, which the legs are not hard. All you want to do is go up here. You want to click Add Group. You could drag it to the root, and then you can name whatever you want, which mine would be legs. And then when you click on this and click Add Cube, it will do this. And once you have this, you want to get you want to get the shape that you want for the legs, which I would want to go one end like this. I want to go to the edge like this, like that. And then I just want to double click it and go down. That's how many blocks, which right there. Yeah. And then if you want to duplicate it, you can just double click, duplicate, and then you just drag it to the other spot. So click, duplicate, drag it to the other spot that you want it to be. Okay, duplicate it, and then drag. Like that. If you go to the paint, you will be able to paint this fully black. Okay. And once you paint this fully black, I know it doesn't look like much for right now. That's because the body is too big, so you want to make it a little like shorter like this. Now it is time for the uh it's time for the tail. Well, comment down below if pandas have tails. Well, right now I'm not gonna add a tail, but I am going to add a head to it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So all you want to do is go to edit, and then you want to go to add group, which I'm gonna drag it to the root, and then you wanna name it head. Okay, and then we wanna add a cube. And you see right here over here, since I was in the black, you wanna drag it over to like right here. Okay. You wanna drag it up to where you want it, and then just drag it. First, let's get it to the shape that we want it. I would want to do like this kind of shape. Like that. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah. And if you want to add a little bit more depth into it, you could just you could well first let me go ahead and paint this all black real quick, like that. Okay. Now once you have this, you could edit this out. So basically, I would want to do a few blocks like this, and say you want a jaw for the panda. You said demon panda, so I'm gonna make it look a little bit scary. So you you want to add another group, then you want to add a block into it, then you want to name it, and I want to name it jaw. Jaw. Okay, like that. Once you go, you want to click the cube. You want to go over here to where there's no paint, and then you want to just drag it to where you want the jaw to be, which I want the jaw to be right here. So let's go ahead and make it where we want it to be. I want it to be one block in, like that. I think. Let me go to here. It's easier to see. Yeah, like that. Okay. And then you want to expand it. And then let's go ahead and do like that. Nah, that's too big of a jaw. No, it's not. It's perfect as a jaw. Okay. And let me go ahead and rotate it. So you want to go up here to the rotate button. You could just click R. And then to go to the resize, you want to click S. You could just click R to go to the rotate. And then you want to go to the red line. Then you want to make it the angle that you want it to be, which the angle I want it to be like that. You could just bring it all the way back and bring it up one or two like that. And there you go. That is the jaw for it. So let's go ahead and do it all black like that. Let me go to the head. Let me exit the head and let me. Actually, no. If you want the full thing to be good, you could just let me exit this off and don't. Okay. Okay. And like that. I would add teeth later. But if you want to, this is what my panda's gonna look like for so far. If you, like, it's gonna be like a demon panda. So yeah, it's really all you can do here. And then if you want to add like a little tail, like a tail, you could just you could add a group, name it whatever you want it to name. Like I'm gonna name it tail, and then I'm gonna add a cube into it, which I want to drag. Okay, and then you want to go to where you want the tail, which I want the tail to be right here. Okay. If you want it thin, you can have it thin, but I'm gonna leave it like a 4x4, because in the paint you can see it's a 4x4. And if you want to do this, you could, yeah. Let me go ahead and do. I'm going to duplicate this, duplicate, drag it out one, and then once I drag it out one, you could just rotate it just a little bit. Yep, and you could just move it back over to the left. So yeah, after you get done with this, all you want to do is just make sure to duplicate this. I would want to go to the paint, and then I would want to just color it all in like this. And then if you want, like, it could be bigger than this. Like, okay, you should click this. You want to click duplicate, go out one, and you wanna rotate it, which I could rotate it a little bit. Like this, and then move it over one. This should look, yeah, that looks good. So yeah, that's gonna be my tail. I will paint this in part 2. This is what the panda is going to look like. So hopefully you enjoyed. This is the structure of the demon panda. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you had a good. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button so when I make another video, you will not miss it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in part 2.